Hi everyone, it's Justin again. Now that you understand sequences, we're going to learn what kind of real-world scenarios sequences appear in. A wildlife rescue takes in 4 bunnies. If the number of bunnies doubles every month, how many bunnies will they have in the 6th month? Before we can solve this, let's think about a few things. First, what kind of sequence is this? Arithmetic or geometric? Doubling means multiplying by 2, so if the pattern has to do with multiplying, then this is a geometric sequence. Now, which formula would be most useful to solve the question? Explicit or recursive? Since we only want a single number in the sequence, the 6th month, the explicit formula is best here. All right, so what is the explicit formula for this geometric sequence? Well, they initially had 4 bunnies, and the amount is multiplied by 2 each month. So the explicit formula would be the number of bunnies in any month is 4 times 2 to an exponent of the number of months minus 1. So if we're looking for the 6th month, then there will be 128 bunnies. I hope the wildlife rescue's got plenty of carrots. Next up, Jerry is proud of his bowling skills. In his last game, he got 9 pins in the first frame and 8 on the rest. What were his total scores at the end of each frame? First, what kind of sequence is this? Arithmetic or geometric? He adds 8 to his score every frame, so a pattern based on adding is arithmetic. Now, do we need the explicit or the recursive form? We want his total score for all 10 frames, so we're gonna need the recursive formula. So then what is the recursive formula for this arithmetic sequence? We know he started off with a score of 9 in the first frame, and then he added 8 to his score every frame after that. So the formula is that his score after each frame is his previous score plus 8. He started with a score of 9, then added 8 to it to make 17, then another 8 in the third frame for a total of 25, and then he kept adding 8 each frame. A video game streamer has 500 followers, but she's losing 30 every week. How many followers will she have in 12 weeks? Pause the video and try to solve this problem yourself first. Now, what type of sequence and formula will be used in this problem? The streamer loses 30 followers every week, so it's an arithmetic sequence. And we only need the 12th term to answer the question, so we're going to be using the explicit formula. Now, she starts with 500 followers, and she's losing 30 each week. So her number of followers each week is equal to 500 minus 30 times the number of weeks minus 1. If we use 12 for the number of weeks, we find that at week 12, she will only have 170 followers. Any situation involving a repeated operation can be represented as a sequence. In the next video, we're going to look at some more interesting types of sequences, including a few that appear naturally in nature all the time. See you then!